Love and morality are deeply intertwined, each illuminating and challenging the other in the human experience. At its purest, love acts as a profound moral compass, urging us beyond selfish impulses toward empathy, sacrifice, and unwavering respect for another's dignity. It demands honesty even when deception would be easier, fidelity when temptation whispers otherwise, and compassion that softens rigid ethical codes into living virtues. Yet morality, in turn, disciplines love, preventing it from devolving into obsession, possession, or harm disguised as passion. True love is inherently moral because it seeks the genuine flourishing of the beloved, not mere gratification. In this dance, love humanizes morality, making abstract principles feel urgent and personal, while morality elevates love from fleeting emotion into a steadfast commitment that builds trust, justice, and enduring bonds. Without morality, love loses its soul. Without love, morality grows cold and lifeless.